So while we were visiting General Coffee State Park, we like to check out the surrounding areas. So we went to Douglas, Nichols, and Fitzgerald and found fun things to do. One of the first things we found when we were visiting the park was a cute little antique store called Town Square Antique Mall in Douglas, Georgia. As usual for antique stores, they pretty much had a little bit of everything. I found the prices really reasonable, and of course, the lady that was there was super helpful, but just had almost anything you could imagine, indoor, outdoor stuff, clothing, furniture, books, artwork, anything. Well, we discovered the Heritage Station Museum, which happened to be closed while we were there, but we also discovered that they had restored this caboose recently, and there is a really great walking trail outside. Okay, we just had this really sweet guy that just walked by and gave us a few more details. And he said that the trail goes 5 or 6 miles, and he says you can use a bike or you can walk it. It's not a problem, and it's no charge. So there's no fee for it whatsoever. So that's pretty awesome. Okay, thanks for watching. Hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe. And don't forget, I do have another channel called Chatting with Chops, where I do a bunch of like vegan bakes and low calorie bakes, as well as baking for two. So go check that out.